Hello guys, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make meatloaf. So you get two different kinds of meats. In the comments, I'll show you what kind of meat. We got a cooking spray and set the oven to 350. And here's my little wooden spoon. Mommy, show them the page. And now open it up to page number meatloaf. Now let's get started.
Bayou meatloaf. Okay.
Now let's get started. So first, I am gonna spray the bowl with this. We don't spray the bowl with it. If I did an older to spray it,
This one.
I have to dump these because my mom's doesn't do Now, you mash it up.
Mix it.
You like mashing it, I'm mashing it, but you have to mix it. But I am just like gonna get it in little chunks, chunky chunk, and stir it up. It looks like chunks good. It looks good to eat right already, but no, you can't eat it, it's raw. Yeah. You have to mash it up. You have to mash this little part up, and now I am going to mix. I think that might be enough matching. After one more quick mash. Now, after you mix the meat up, mash it, you get a separate small bowl and another spoon. You get this, and then there's another one. But now, let's open this little thing. I don't know what this is.
Celery.
It's celery, but all the other stuff that I can't say will be in the comments. 1
teaspoon.
That's 1 teaspoon. I want to make sure that's enough. A little bit more. That's enough. Basically, next we're going to be doing garlic. I love garlic. Open enough. I'm going to hold this down in there.
Here, hold it.
Mommy's gonna hold it, but I'm gonna pour. I'm filling it. Oh wait, that's enough. I'll dump it now. And now it's time. I'm closing these up now. I'll get my next one. After this is our last small ingredient, and then we'll move on to a different measuring pencil. I think I might open it. This one comes out. Not very good. Let's close this one so it doesn't explode.
That's called thyme.
It's called thyme. Oh, that's enough. Definitely enough. And now it's paprika. This one. Gonna use the other side and dip it in.
Do it over the bowl.
I'm gonna have to do it over the bowl, but I'm just not. It's enough paprika. So I'm gonna take this one. Now we close these up. I didn't close this one up. Put it over the side, get my spoon, and start stirring and seasoning. It looks like a vegan packet, see? Oh, we forgot something. Whoops. With a different measure. And what is this? This is pepper. Pepper.
That's fourth a teaspoon.
Fourth a teaspoon. I'm gonna go out the other side. It makes me sneeze sometimes. I'm gonna choose this side. Oh, that's enough pepper. Now I'm gonna make me sneeze. And next, we're gonna take my spoon and start mixing it up again. Ooh. But you can't really do it. Oh, this is so cool. Let's mix the paprika up, guys. And after you finish mixing all this together, you take your other meat bowl and dump this in here to the other bowl. Sprinkle it all around it, even though it's in the same bowl. Next, you're gonna take a little spoon, but not stirring it up yet. So I'm gonna take that's raw meat on my finger, taking it out for a sec, so I can do my breadcrumbs over the bowl. It's a little bit wet, guys. There's some garlic crumbs. We'll have to open a new one. I'll open a new one. We'll take the lid off. There's a wrapper on it. I have to get off. I'm going to get off the wrapper. Now I just have to make sure I need a little bit more. A little bit more, see? Yeah, that's enough, guys. Then you spread it around like me. I don't really think you can see, but I don't know. I'll show you. See? Now I am gonna close up the breadcrumbs. Where's the lid? Where's the lid to this? I gotta get the lid. Where'd it go? Mommy has the lid. Woo! Put it on top. And next we do this. This is onions, see? This is onions. See, and we open this. It might be a whole can, is what I think.
That's right.
A whole can of these garlic things.
That's onion.
It's bad, but next we're gonna do some milk. With the milk, with this one. This is the right milk and milk. Here's your milk. Half a cup. And pour it. A whole half a cup. And then next at least Mommy's gonna pour it. Next is ketchup. I like ketchup though. That's enough ketchup. It's getting out. I can't get it all out. Gotta use a spoon. This is really good. Next is an egg. I'm really good at cracking it.
Put the spoon out there.
And the next, oops, I dropped the spoon. It's okay, I said it in here. I've got 2 eggs. Oh, okay. Put this in here, in the empty thing. There we go, whoops. Now you make sure you don't get any shells. Now, next you stir it, but I made a paper towel. Next you mix it up. After you're done mixing, I am gonna be back here, but you probably can't see me back there. You can't. I'm gonna move my steps. Hold on, guys. I've got it now. Dumping it. It's hard.
Set it down. We'll get it.
I'm gonna get a spatula. I dumped it. Next, you're supposed to shake. And it's all made here. So you shake it. It's fine the way it is. Now we just have to pound it down. Make it in this. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba.
Top.
This is what it looks like when you're done rolling the meatloaf. I did it. And next, you have to do the secret sauce. I'm a little princess, honey, and ketchup. I'll show you what my secret to make it so good is in a minute. First, I get my ketchup ready to be squirted and a teaspoon. I don't know what it is, so they'll let you know in the comments. I'll squeeze this ketchup a whole cup. Let's get in the side. There's a lot of ketchup. That might be enough ketchup. That's enough ketchup because I'm going to add my secret ingredients later. There's some on the table. And there we go. That's enough ketchup. Because I'm going to add my secret sauce. Do we need this though? Huh? Oh, the honey's supposed to go on this. Oops, I gotta choose a side. I'm choosing the circle side. You just need a little more honey in here. That's enough honey. Yep, because my secret ingredients and everything are. Make sure you dump this honey. It's kind of hard to get out, so I have my spatula. Yeah. Actually, I think I might not need that. Mommy's gonna scoop it out a little. That's it.
The spoon.
The spoon is done. Next, I'm gonna add my secret ingredients. My secret ingredients are a little bit more ketchup and a little bit more honey. First, we're gonna do a little bit more honey. A little more ketchup, I mean. I got confused. And you put, there we go. A little bit more and a little more honey. And my secret ingredient is honey. Yeah. It's honey. I got honey. There we go, that's enough. Shut it. And next it's time to mix. And actually, it's my spatula. Oops, I made it too loud. Ooh, this is gonna taste good, but you can't try it yet. We can taste it a little. To make sure it's good. Make sure it's ready. Make sure it doesn't need a little bit more mixing. A little bit more mixing. Just get a little dab. Good. Now wait for a meatloaf. And the meatloaf is done, but we have to wait for it to, Mommy has to get it out. So we'll wait. Do you want to hear what I always say when we do meatloaf? Mom, the meatloaf. Mom, the meatloaf. Where is it? It's really hot. Show them, Mom. Here it is. Mom, the meatloaf. And to see it, it has our secret sauce. And we'll show you eat it later when it cools off. And right now, we want you to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Mom, the meatloaf. Bye.